Okay, for creating a city in Blender, you need to download this plugin called OSM. And also you have to make an account in MapBox and you will get a token, copy that and then fire up the Blender. Install the plugin from the preferences, find the file wherever you have downloaded it. After that you will get a window right here. Yes, from here press select and your browser will pop up. Then select the city you want to make. Choose the highly populated area so that you can get more and more data. Click here for show the rectangle. I am choosing a small part of Manhattan here from the New York City, and then select the part you want to copy the coordinates from. Go to the OSM plugin, paste it here, select the terrain from the import menu and hit import. Now select the OpenStreetMap from the import menu and choose the import buildings only. Make sure it is 3D and hit import. Alright, now I can see that our terrain has beautifully imported. After that, open the shader editor and select the overlay.png. Now create each building using height map.
3 days later.
Now it's time for texturing. Okay, for texturing, head over to the textures.com and browse through some high-rise building. Download glass, residential and nighttime textures also. Assign each building to a different texturing node. Add a HDRI and some clouds. Add some ACs, dustbins. Put them top of the building randomly. Set the camera. Looks good. Add the clouds. That's nice. Do some composition using nodes. Definitely use denoiser. Now hit render. And now just wait.
1 eternity later.
This looks nice and great. And also remember to render a depth map, and now add it to your favorite compositor and do some composition, some color grading and other stuff, and you may create the Star Wars.